Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a parapet wall, which basically means that the top of the wall is going to come up past the frame. So if I select whichever wall that I want to have a parapet on, I've just selected 1, 2, 3 there, 4. And if I can go up to my wall tool, or I can go right click, walls, wall operations, edit wall, or I could use a keyboard shortcut, W. When I go down to the bottom down here, manual overrides, you'll notice that currently this wall has a 100mm step down from my concrete. And it also says external drop off for Eve. So if I typed in 300, it would actually come down 300mm here, but I want it to go the opposite way. So I'm going to type in minus 300 and it will go up. Let's go submit. Okay, and you'll notice that now we have a parapet wall there where the roof would hide behind it and steel or whatever else is going to go into it. The opposite would happen if we decided to go the other way. So now I'm going to use W as a keyboard shortcut. Guys, if you haven't got keyboard shortcuts, Google Pluspec keyboard shortcuts. You can print it and put it on your desk. Manual overrides, I'm going to type in here minus 300 and go submit. That will go up. Sorry, I want to actually go 300 and go submit, and that will go down. Right, because an eave drop off is usually the distance from the top of the frame down to your bricks or your cladding, and essentially that's how to do a parapet wall or an eave drop off. Cheers.